Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the DVN Interior Conference.
What are consumers' perception and expectations for the car's interior? Well, as we said, the car's interior must be personalized, customized, but you want it to be safe, like your home, when you're traveling.
So you see that all those three seating, interior and Clarion, can work and are working on the cockpit of the future, which is an additional organization that we have on top to manage everything and to work at the system level.
All the guys in our team from NASA and JPL are working hard to make this a reality.
二輪メーカーからスタートし、四輪車汎用エンジンへと拡大し、ロボットやジェット機まで作るようになりました。私たちは時代の流れとともに常に新しいものづくりにチャレンジしています。
Ambient lighting features, functional lighting features, all over the car, communication devices.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Robert Isole. I'm with BMW and responsible there for interior lighting development.
In the second row, they have a lot of lighting functionalities already included, anything from symbol illumination, waterfall, and of course we should not forget the all-important reading lights.
Yeah, welcome to the Q&A live meeting of session 3, interior lighting. Our second speaker in session 5 is Mr. Ross Schneider from Texas Instruments.
But adding a new feature to the windows, which is basically turning them into a display. So what's shown here is, a side window display, a display on the windshield, but it's not limited. You obviously can get to the back or any of the rear seats as well.